The style is called Chen Style Tai Chi, and a particular family arm of Chen Style Tai Chi called Practical Method. For me, the biggest deal is what I get from the practice, and I practice daily in my Tai Chi. Many would describe it as, well, I've heard it described as a discipline, a commitment. People have described my actions as being, they use all sorts of words. You know, what I actually get from it in particular is a whole lot of joy. And the reason why it's joyful is because I make a promise to myself that the person whom I am kindest to is me. So every day I practice because it's kind to me. The theory is the theory of 10,000. My teacher first told me this about 5 years ago, and he said, when you do your Yilu 10,000 times, your body will change and it will never move the same again. Are important. And I know that we talk about mindfulness a lot in our society right now. But in actual fact, it's joy that a daily practice brings. And that's what's really important.